Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Stuck deciding between the Sony E 55 to 210mm and the Canon RF 35mm macro lens? It's more than just zoom versus macro. It's about choosing your photographic adventure. Let's break it down.
The Sony 55 to 210mm looks like a solid telephoto option. Is it really worth it for someone who isn't a pro sports photographer?
Absolutely. Think about capturing your kid's soccer game from the sidelines, or getting a close-up of a deer in your backyard. With an equivalent focal length of 82.5 to 315 millimeters, you get serious reach. Plus, optical steady shot helps stabilize those longer shots.
True, but the Canon RF 35mm is so compact and lightweight at just 10.8 ounces. And that macro feature, I'm intrigued.
It's a game changer. Imagine photographing the stamen of a flower with incredible detail, or the intricate eyes of an insect. With its 0.5x magnification ratio, you can get half life-size images. The minimum focusing distance is only 0.56 feet.
Okay, both sound amazing for different reasons. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. What are the key differences?
The Sony's main strength is definitely its zoom range. Covering 55 to 210 millimeters, it lets you go from a relatively wide shot to a tight close-up without changing lenses. Think versatility for travel or events.
But that variable aperture of f/4.5 to 6.3 means it might struggle in low light, right?
Exactly. That's where the Canon excels. Its bright f/1.8 aperture lets in tons of light, perfect for shooting indoors or at dusk. Plus, the image stabilization gives you up to 5 stops of shake correction, which is a huge advantage.
So it boils down to this. What are you actually shooting? Are you prioritizing reach or low-light performance?
Precisely. The Sony is fantastic for capturing distant subjects, while the Canon is ideal for close-up work and creating shallow depth-of-field effects. The Sony is ranked number 46 in SLR Camera Lenses, while the Canon is number 1084 in renewed camera and photo.
If you need to bring distant subjects into sharp focus and don't mind potentially needing a tripod in dimmer situations, the Sony 55 to 210mm is your workhorse.
But if you're passionate about macro photography, want a lens that excels in low light, and prefer a compact size, the Canon RF 35mm macro is the clear choice. Both are great renewed lenses. It just depends on your artistic vision. Now go create some stunning images. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.